Hello guys, welcome to another trading strategy. So in today's strategy we are going to be looking at this powerful bull market scalping strategy. Okay, so with this strategy you are going to win almost all the trades that you take using this strategy. Okay, and remember it's a scalping strategy which gave you some candles before you exit your trade. Okay, so the main focus is to make money with this strategy and then get out of the market as soon as possible. Okay, so with that being said, if I need to drive a channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification. Anytime put in strategy, you guys will be aware. So with that being said, if you also want to get our mentorship program or the premium strategy course, you can just contact them you are seeing on the screen or check the link down below in the description. You're going to see our WhatsApp contact there or Telegram, so you can contact us for the premium strategy course or the account management or the mentorship program. So in today's video, we are going to be discussing about two things, and the first thing is the settings of the strategy, which I'm going to give you guys that in this video. I'm going to give you guys the settings of the strategy, and then I'm also going to give you guys how you can use this strategy. Okay, so this is the two things that we are going to be discussing in this video. Okay, so stay tuned and make sure you watch this video to the end so you won't miss any explanation about the strategy. Okay, so this is how it's going to be. Let's explain how to use the strategy, then we dive into the settings of the strategy. Now, how do you use this strategy? It's very simple and straightforward, and this strategy works on all the Puma Crash pairs. Okay, so you just have to, for the zoom level, and the zoom has completely use this second zoom level, which is the zoom level that we always use for our video. Okay, so how do you use this strategy? Now, to use strategy, these things that you want to put under consideration before you take any trades with the strategy. Firstly, we want to pay close attention to what the indicator window one says. Now, right here, the indicator window one shows us something. Now, it shows that whenever the line, the Ichimoku line, which you can clearly see right here, this line right here, all this line is Ichimoku line, this right here is RSI line, and this is the moving average line. So that is the indicator we are going to be discussing today. Okay, now the first thing you want to see whenever you want to take a trade with the strategy is you want to wait for the Ichimoku to come straight to the 5 levels, which you can clearly see right here. It has to come and touch the 5 levels, which you can see. Now after you touch the 5 levels right here, which you can see right here, after I touch the 5 levels, then the next thing you want to do is that now whenever the Ichimoku comes to the 85 levels, it will come in a blue color, which you can clearly see right here. Now when it comes in a blue color, which you can see right here, it comes in a blue color. Now after you see it comes in a blue color, now we wait for the next thing to happen. Now what is the next thing? You wait for it to change its color after touching the 5 levels. We want it to come down and change color to green. Okay, which you can clearly see. Now when you see the color to green, that is what you want to pay attention to. Now when you see it change its color to green, you enter your trade immediately. And before this happens, before the Ichimoku turns to green, the price right here we will have already closed below the moving average. We have already closed below the moving average. Okay, I'm very certain about that. It will have already closed below the moving average. So once this happens, and you enter for yourself, entering for your sell, then you catch as many candles as you can. Just make sure that when you are taking the trades, make sure you always look for where the price spike last. Okay, you can clearly see the price spike last right there. So whenever the price is getting close to that area, you should be expecting to close your positions. Okay, so that is how you use the strategy. Okay, so another example, I'm going to show you guys that in crash indices. Okay, so let me use this current price move. Now here on crash, this is going to be in a different perspective. Okay, and the difference is going to be that whenever you want to take a trade, you wait for the Ichimoku to come straight to the 15 levels, which we can clearly see right here. It has to come to the 15 levels. Now when the Ichimoku come to the 15 levels which you can see right here, then you want to patiently see something. Now what do you want to see is that when it comes to the 15 levels, it comes in green color. Okay, so when it comes in green color, then we wait for it to change from this green color into blue. Okay, so when it changes color to blue, then the price will have already break above the moving average right here. So that after these two conditions being met, then you should be looking for a buy. Okay, so we take our buy and we put this in mind that whenever you see the price getting close to where it spiked last, we should be expect to take our profit. Okay, now do not take a trade when you see that the Ichimoku does not come and touch the 15 levels for a buy on crash or the 12 levels for a sell on bomb. As simple as that. Okay, so have you guys understand what I just explained about this strategy and how you can use it? Now let's go straight to the settings. Now the first thing you have to do is just click on the F icon. Okay, when you click on the F icon, now we need 3 indicators. Now the first indicator is the moving average. Now as we add this up, we click on the F plus. After we click on the F plus, we scroll down, search for moving average, and then there's the properties. Now the period is 60, the shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to close. Now for the style, using the color of your choice, then click on save. Once you do that, and we're going to have your moving average in your chart. Now proceeding with the next indicator, which is going to be the Ichimoku. Now to add this up, we click on the F icon. So when you click on the F icon, scroll down for your and search for your Ichimoku, which you can clearly see right here. Now click on it, and then this is the properties. Now the indication is 2, junction is 3, the span B is 53, a price field. Now for the style, use the next color of your choice for all the Ichimoku style. Okay, using the color of your choice, then click on save. Once you do that, and you're going to have the Ichimoku listed on your indicator window 1. Now after that, we move on to the next thing, which is going to be the RSI. Now to add this up, we click on the indicator window 1 plus. After click on it, we scroll down and search for RSI. Now after click on the RSI, the properties, the period 15 apply to open. Now the levels, we need the 15 and the 12 levels using this style for your levels thing. Once you do that, click on back, and then for the style of the RSI, you just have to set this as a background color. Then click on save. Once you do that, and this is how your chart is going to look like. If you use same colors I do, this is how chart is going to look like. Okay, but if you use different color, it's going to also give you same result. Okay, so I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification, and type posting strategy. You guys will be aware. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.